MacBook connected to Wi-Fi but no internet, 11 fixes. Restart your MacBook and the router. To restart your MacBook, select the Apple logo and click Restart. Confirm the action by clicking on Restart. To restart your router, unplug the power cable from the back of your router. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Plug the power cable back in. Wait for the router to restart entirely. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Go to the Apple menu and select System Settings. Go to Wi-Fi Settings and scroll to the bottom. Click the Advanced button. Click the three-dot button next to your Wi-Fi name and choose Remove from List. Confirm the action and click Done. Now, connect to your Wi-Fi again. Set date and time to automatic. Click the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Go to General Settings and click Date and Time. Enable Set Time and Date automatically. Update macOS. Click the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to General and click Software Update. Wait for your MacBook while it searches for updates. If an upgrade is available, click Update Now and restart Mac. Change DNS server. Go to System Settings from the Apple menu. Select Wi-Fi and click Details next to your Wi-Fi name. Go to the DNS tab. Click the plus button and add servers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. When done, click OK. Use wireless diagnostics. Press the Command plus space keys and enter Wireless Diagnostics. Click Continue to run diagnostics. Select Monitor my Wi-Fi connection and click Continue. Follow the instructions. Remove all USB accessories. Disconnect all USB accessories from your MacBook. Restart your MacBook. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if the internet connection is restored. Renew DHCP lease. Open the Apple menu and go to System Settings. Go to Wi-Fi and next to your Wi-Fi, click Details. Choose TCP/IP and hit Renew DHCP lease. Create a new network location. Click the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Go to Network and click on the drop-down menu. Hover over Locations and select Edit Locations. Click the plus button and give it a name, or leave it as it is. Then, click Done. Reset Network Preferences. Open a Finder window. From the top menu, select Go and choose Go to Folder. In the path bar, enter /library/preferences/system configuration. Delete these files. com.apple.airport.preference.plist, com.apple.network.identification.plist, networkinterfaces.plist, preferences.plist, settings.plist. Stop MDNS responder. Press the Command and spacebar and enter Activity Monitor. Go to the Network tab. Select MDNS responder. It's usually the very first process. Click the X button and select Force Quit. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.